This video is going to be on inches 20, 22, 24, Peruvian Straight. And this hair is also have a 18-inch closure. So let's get into this video. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm currently making a wig for my clients, and I'm making a wig for myself. But this is wig that I'm going to be showing you is for my client. So let's get into this video. Forgot to mention, ladies, this hair is definitely on sale right now. Go cop up. You get 3 bundles in the closure for under $300. If you use the discount code and you spend to win, you would pay less than $255. So let's get into this video so I can show y'all what y'all about to be buying. So you just tuning in. These are the bundles right here. These are 3 bundles in the closure. This is the 18-inch closure, and that is 3 bundles of 20, 22, 24. Also, this is my dyeing bold. I'm also going to be using Phillydivashair and B2W bleach. If you know me, this is what I use. I always use like a little scoop. Excuse my orange bright gloves. That's all I had left. I'm going to use 2 scoops, and then I'm going to pour the Phillydivashair in. I'm going to mix it into a nice thick paste. Once again, ladies, you do not want this to be watery, because if it gets watery, it will bleed through your closure, and it will be a big mess and hard to fix. So really take your time, and I went in a double time to make it even more thicker. You must have this thick, almost like paste. That's how you want it. So we're gonna move on, and we're gonna apply this to the frontal. See how nice and thick that is? That is perfect. So now when you go in and place it on the frontal, I'm just gonna go really gentle. I'm really gonna take my time piece by piece and make sure I get all that on there, but not too deep. Do not press on it. Do not rub it. Do not force yourself on this closure, because if you do, it would be a big mess. Because you don't want a big mess. No one wants a big mess. So you're just going to take it gently. You see how I'm doing it? I'm just working it in there. Just nice and gently. I'm not forcing it. I'm just really taking my time and make sure I cover every spot. And now I'm going to turn it over on the back side where I bleached it at. And I'm going to wrap it in foil. So this is how it looked after I took it off the foil. So I didn't wash it out yet. I'm about to go wash it out. But this is how it looks. It took very well. I love it. It's perfect. How it turned out, and the bleach took really good, and this is how it looks. Look at that scalp, man. That looks so real. It's so realistic. I'm just glad I left it on there for 15 to 20 minutes, and it just came out so good. All the line is good. This is a free part closure, so you can part anywhere throughout this closure. And this is some up close pictures of how it looks. Yes, I did pluck it just a little bit, not too much, but just to give it a natural look. So now I'm going to start making the wig. Okay, so let's start sewing this closure down, ladies. So when you're making a closure wig, you want to be 1 to 2 inches away from the dome cap, okay? That's 1. And 2, you make sure you do not sew between the elastic band at all. You want to sew over top of the elastic band. That gives you more stretchability. It gives you your wig to be at a flat base, and it won't be moving all around and everything like that. You just want it at a flat base. You don't want no humps, no lumps, or nothing. So it's always good to use 2 T-pins on the side of the closure of the lace, and then you will just go ahead and keep sewing all the way around, back and back. If I were you, the way I do it is I use 2 needles and thread. I use 1 needle on one side and another needle on the other side, so I can continue to keep going over until we both connect at the end. So that's the best way to do it, my opinion. So now I am just about done, ladies. Yes, as you see that little black piece right there, that's all I got left to do. I combed all my parts out because them parts was kind of deep, so I just went on and just, like, slayed them parts out of there, and whatever the case may be. So I do decide I want to part it back, it will be easier, but I am just about to be done. So let's see how both of the wigs, because I made 2 wigs in one day, so let's see how both of the wigs turned out. So yes, that's how it turned out, and I ended up winding curling my hair because I wanted my curls a little tighter. And let me show you how the straight wig look on me before I send it to my client. This is how the wig looked on me. This is how it matched with my scalp, and when she received it and her hairstylist did it, this is how it came out on her. It came out so beautiful, and I love it. Now let's get into this. Now this right here is the screen where you can win free frontals, free closures, free bundles, and everything, all the way up to 50% off. I'm telling everyone, please spend to win. Everyone can win something. So fill out that information and go ahead and take your chance on winning something. not leave that without having nothing. At least 3% off, okay? I always look out for my divas. I want to say thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Please comment below if there's anything that you want me to do next. And also follow us on all social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. We always love the love and the support. Please support me if you can. Please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button in the corner to get notified every time I upload. Hey, and remember, the diva is always in you.